Let's create the scene in Snap by adding sprites and a background. Snap provides a large collection of sprites for your use. You can also design your own or import one. And what is a sprite? It's a character for your project that you can animate, and a costume is the outfit or particular look for your character, and the background is the scene that you will use in your game or story or animation. In this example, we'll be adding 6 new sprites and a custom background. The default sprite is a turtle on a white background. Alonzo, the Snap mascot, will be our main sprite. You can follow along without logging into Snap, but if you want to save your work, you will need to have a Snap account. In this tutorial, we'll add 4 arrow sprites, Alonzo, and an apple, plus a night scene. We'll start from scratch with a blank screen. Go to the document icon and click New to start over. Then click on the turtle icon to add a new sprite. Do this for as many as the number of sprites you want to add. Next, you want to open the costumes library. Scroll through the costumes, select one, we'll take Alonzo, click import, and then repeat for each sprite. We'll take the right arrow, then import, the left arrow, the down arrow, and the up arrow. Finally, the apple sprite. You can position the sprites on the screen with your mouse. Now, notice the sprites all have similar names. Let's rename each sprite to easily identify them when writing code. We'll call the first one Alonzo. Having a little trouble with my mouse here. We'll call the right arrow right, and so on. Now, let's give Alonzo a second costume. Click on Alonzo, open the costumes library, and import another Alonzo. You'll have 2 identical copies of Alonzo. Now let's flip him. Right-click, Edit, select Flip Horizontal, OK, and you have one Alonzo facing right and one facing left. Let's rename the second costume. We'll call it Alonzo Flipped. To replace the background scene, select the default white background, open the backgrounds library, and let's select the night scene. Okay, there you go. We can reposition the arrow sprites depending on the type of game or story you want to write. But to permanently position the sprites, you'll need to write code. There you go. We've added 6 sprites and a custom background. What if you want your arrow to change direction depending on your game code? For that, you'll need a single arrow with 4 costumes rather than 4 arrows. Select the arrow, sprite, open the costumes library, add 3 additional costumes. The left arrow, import the down and the up arrow. Now you've got 1 sprite and 4 costumes. You can change the arrow's direction by switching costumes. That's it. Give both ways a try. See which way applies best for your Snap project. Next, you'll need to start writing code to animate your sprite. And thank you for watching.